Yes. Students, in previous class, I explained about addition and subtraction of like fractions. Again, I'm recapping the previous class concept. I explained addition of like fraction is equal to sum of numerator by common denominator. Subtraction of like fraction is equal to difference of numerator by common denominator. Now today I am going to explain addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Keep heading already. I hope you kept heading already. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Yeah, addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. There are two methods are there to solve addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. First method is the cross multiplication. Second method is the LCM concept. Which method is easy for you? You can apply that method. I will explain both method. Okay. Yes. Example first. Find the sum. Don't try it. Listen carefully. Find the sum 2 by 5 plus 8 by 3. Listen carefully, students. First fraction I have given 2 by 5. Second fraction I have given 8 by 3. How to check both are like fraction or unlike fraction? Both in the given fractions, both denominator are different. If denominators are different, that is called unlike fraction. First denominator is 5. Second denominator is 3. There are two methods are there to solve this question. First method is the cross multiplication method. Second method is the LCM concept. I am going to explain this question by using both method. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write anything. Method first. Method second. Now, first method I am going to explain by using cross multiplication. 2 by 5 plus 8 by 3. Now, what is the cross multiplication method? 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 8 divided by 5 into 3. Again, listen carefully, students, what I have done here. 3 into 2 means 3 multiplied by 2, 2 into 3 plus 8 into 5 divided by 5 into 3. Now 3 2 is 6 plus 8 5 is 40 divided by 15. 46 by 15. This is first method. Now second method, 2 by 5 plus 8 by 9, I want to use LCM concept. Firstly, I want to take LCM of denominator. Why we are taking LCM of denominator? Because both are unlike terms. If denominators are different, we want to take LCM concept. LCM of 3 and 5. LCM is equal to, both are prime number, 3 5 is 15. LCM is equal to 15. 15. Now 2 into 15 divided by 5 LCM divided by denominator. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 plus 8 into 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Next 3 2s are 6 plus 8 5s are 40 divided by 15. 46 by 15. By using cross multiplication, our answer has come 46 by 15. By using LCM concept also, our answer has come 46 by 15. Note down everyone. Example 2. Find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. There are two methods are there. First method is the cross multiplication method. Second method is the LCM concept. Now we are going to apply LCM concept. Cross multiplication is very easy, students, but it's better you can follow LCM concept. Now I want to take LCM of denominator. Why? Because denominator are different. LCM of 4 and 6. Firstly, we'll divide by least number. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 1 1. LCM has come 2 into 2 into 3. 4 is coming to table, 2 2s are 4, and 6 is coming to table, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 1s are 2, 3 we can divide, again 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. LCM has come 12. LCM has come 12. Now what is first numerator? First numerator is 5 into 12 divided by 6. LCM divided by denominator. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 minus, again second numerator is 3. 3 into 12 divided by 4, 3. Now 5 2s are 10 minus 9 divided by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Why we are taking LCM? Because denominators are different. If denominators are different, we can do cross multiplication or we can take LCM of denominator. Why this? How this 2 has come? LCM has come 12. 12 divided by first denominator. This 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. 2 I have written. Again 4 divided by 12. 12 divided by 4. 3 I have written here. Here we are doing division concept. Example 3. Simplify. Example 3. Simplify. Simplify. Four integer 2 by 5 minus 2 integer 1 by 4. We want to simplify this given fraction. Now, whatever fraction he has given, this is mixed fraction. We want to convert into improper fraction. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? I have already explained in the previous class. Denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. Now, question he has given 4 integer 2 by 5, 4 of 2 by 5 minus 2 of 1 by 4. Now, denominator multiplied by whole number, denominator is 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 by 5 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 4. Now, denominators are different. How many methods are there? There are two methods are there to solve this question. First method is the cross multiplication method, and second is method is the LCM method. Now I am going to explain by using LCM concept. LCM of denominator, LCM of 5 4 will become 20. 4 and 5. I want to find out LCM of 4 and 5. 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. Again 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is. Again I want to divide by 5. 1 1. If last step is coming 1 1, we can stop the LCM. Now LCM has come 2 into 5, 20. Now LCM has come 20. Divide by 20. First numerator is 22. 22 into, now 20 divided by 5. Denominator, first denominator, LCM divided by first denominator. 20 divided by 5. What is there? 4. Minus, next, again first numerator is 9. 9 into 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. I hope students you are getting how I am getting 4 here, how I got 5 here. LCM divided by first denominator 4, LCM divided by second denominator 4. 4 5s are 20, right? Next. Again listen carefully. Firstly, mixed fraction I have converted into improper fraction. 22 by 5, 9 by 4. Again denominators are different. If denominators are different, we want to take LCM concept or cross multiplication. Any method you can follow, student. After LCM has come 20, now first numerator is 22. First numerator is 22 into 20 LCM divided by first denominator. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 minus 9 as it is into. Again 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 9 into 5. Again we want to multiply. 22 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 88 minus 9 5s are 45 divided by 20. Again 88 minus 45. We want to subtract. 8 minus 5 3. 8 minus 4 4. 43 by 20. Now 43 by 20, I want to convert into mixed fraction because question he has given in mixed fraction. I want to write answer in mixed fraction only. How to? Already you know 20, 2 is 40 plus 3. 2 integer 3 by 20 is the right answer. Now open course book everyone, page number 20. Open course book everyone, page number 20. Unit 2, Week 2, Section B. Twelfth bit. Yeah. Do as directed. First question he has given. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Now in this question, don't do cross multiplication. Denominators are same. If denominators are same, both are like term, then sum of numerator by common denominator. 3 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 6 by 8 is equal to 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 3 by 4. Why we are adding directly numerator? Because denominators are same. B question. 8 integer 3 by 7 minus 6 integer 4 by 5. Now they have given into mixed fraction. We want to convert into improper fraction. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? This question note down in class notebook. Don't write in course book. Now denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. 7 8 is 56. 56 plus 3, 59 by 7 minus 5 6 is 30 plus 4, 34 by 5. Now there are two methods are there. First method is the cross multiplication method. Second method is the LCM method. Now I want to apply LCM concept here. LCM of 7 and 5 both are prime number. LCM has come 30. 35. LCM is equal to note down LCM of 5 and 7 are 35. Yes. Now 35 I want to write big. Divide by 35. First numerator is 59. 59 into LCM is 35. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Minus 34 into 35 divided by 5. 7. 59 into 5 minus 34 into 7 divided by 35. Now we want to do multiplication. 5 9s are 45. 5 4 keep in mind. 5 5 are 25. 25 plus 4 29 minus again 7 4 are 28. 8 2 keep in mind. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 2 23 divided by 35. Now we want to do subtraction. 15 minus 8 7. 8 minus 3 5. 2 minus 2 0. 57 by 35 is the right answer. Note down everyone. Now question he has given in mixed fraction. We want to write answer into mixed fraction. How to write mixed fraction? 35 1 the 35. 35 1 the 35. Now 57 minus 35, what will become? 22. One integer 22 by 35 is the right answer. Why we are writing into mixed fraction? Because question he has given into mixed fraction. Both answer are correct, students. Next, C question. Copy C question, everyone, firstly. C question is 2 integer 2 by 3 minus 2 integer 1 by 4. Again, question he has given into mixed fraction. We want to convert into improper fraction. Denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 3, minus 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 4. We can take LCM or we can do cross multiplication, depends on you students. Okay. Now I am taking cross multiplication, no problem. This number is very small. 8 into 4, 32, minus 9 3 is 27, divided by 12. 3 4 is 12. Now I have applied which concept? The cross multiplication method. 8 4 is 32, 9 3 is 27, and 3 4 is 12. Now 32 minus 27, 12 minus 7, 5, 5 by 12. Don't say, sir, can I write into mixed fraction? No, because already this is proper fraction. D question. 8 minus 3 integer 1 by 2. How to solve this question? Very easy question, nothing is there. 8 means I can write 8 by 1. 8 I can write 8 by 1 minus mixed fraction we want to convert into improper fraction. 2 3 just 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. There are two methods are there to solve this question. Because diameters are different, both are unlike fraction. We can do cross multiplication method or we can take LCM concept. 2 8 just 16 minus 7. 1 into 7 7. Don't say 1 into 7 is equal to 1. 1 into 7 is equal to 7, not 1. 8 2 just 16 minus 7 divided by 2 ones are 2. Answer is 9 by 2. Four into either 1 by 2. I hope students you got it how to solve addition and subtraction. Note down everyone firstly. First key heading, multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication is very easy, student. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication operation of fractions. Yeah. Here one more formula is there. Multiplication is nothing but product. Product of fractions is equal to, note down, product of fractions is equal to product of fractions is equal to product of their numerators NR means what? Numerators divided by product of NRS numerators, their denominators. D capital small rs. NR means numerator, NRS means numerators, DRS means denominators. Product of fractions is equal to product of numerators divided by product of their denominators. NRS means numerators, DRS means denominators. Yeah. Listen carefully, students, what concept I have given. This is very easy concept. Listen carefully, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Suppose I have given two fractions. First fraction is a by b. Listen carefully. Suppose I have given two fractions. First fraction is a by b and second fraction is c by d. First fraction he has given a by b. Second fraction is c by d. Now I want to simplify these two fractions. How to solve this fraction? Just now I have given concept product of fraction is equal to product of numerator divided by divide by product of their denominators. Now in this you are observing here numerator, first numerator is a, second numerator is c. A into c divided by b into d. Whatever numerator they have given, I want to multiply a into c divided by b into d. This is the actual concept. Note down example first. Find the product example first. Find the product find the product 2 by 4 into 3 by 7. Students, one concept is very important concept. In the case of addition and subtraction, we are doing cross multiplication LCM concept. But in the case of multiplication, simply I can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Here we will not do cross multiplication. These points always keep in mind. When when multiplication symbol is there, we will never do cross multiplication. Simply I can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Now question he has given 2 by 4 into 3 by 7. Now simply I can multiply 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 4 into 7 is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 7. Directly you can write answer 2 3 ja 6 divided by 7 4 ja 28. We can simplify 2 3 are 6, 2 14 are 28. Students, again I'm repeating, students, in the case of multiplication, we will never do cross multiplication. Simply I can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. In the case of addition and subtraction, we can do cross multiplication or we can take LCM concept. But in the case of multiplication, always I will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Example 2. Example 2. 4 by 7 into 3 by 7. 4 by 7 into 3 by 7. Now listen here. Some students, what experiment they will do? They will write 4 3 is the 12 divided by 7. This is wrong answer. Just now I explained to you students, I want to multiply numerator by denominator and denominator by denominator. Then I can say 4 3 is the 12. Either denominator are different or same. We are not bothering about that. Our target is the simply I want to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Our answer is 12 by 49. This is the right answer. Don't confuse students. When you are multiplying two or more than two fraction, simply you can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Either denominator are same or different. Third example. Two by 4 into 8 by 20. Here two methods are there, students. We can cancel numerator and denominator, but in the case of only multiplication, we can cancel numerator and denominator. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. We can cancel numerator and denominator in the case of multiplication. Again, listen my word. We can cancel out in the case of multiplication. In the case of addition and subtraction, we can't cancel, student. Now answer is 1 into 2 divided by 1 into 10 is equal to 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. But listen carefully here. If I am writing here 2 by 4 plus 8 by 20, don't cancel like that. 4 1s are 4, 4 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. This is a wrong procedure. Previous I have given symbol plus, but here symbol is, previous symbol was multiplication, but here symbol is what? Plus. Here symbol was into. In the case of multiplication only, I can cancel numerator and denominator. In the case of addition and subtraction, we can't cancel numerator and denominator. This is the wrong procedure.